Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fidah bin Abdul Hadi and I'm from UiTM Arab Perlis. I'm student from Science Physics. Today, I will present to you about the review paper presentation. A review on development of biodegradable plastic using METAPENEUS intermediate shell extract toward a sustainable future. Just now, we saw the video why biodegradable plastic is very important to our world. Nowadays, almost 1.5 million tons of the approximately 6 to 8 million tons of crab waste, shrimp, and also lobster shell produced annually come from the Southeast Asia. For instance, waste shell are frequently just dumped in landfills or the ocean in developing countries. Next, the shell that we want to use has very helpful substances like calcium, protein, and chitin. Chitin, which is a polymer similar to cellulose but containing nitrogen. Bioplastic starting material come from the natural components like polysaccharides, starch, cellulose, and also chitin. The most important component, which is chitin in shrimp shell, is an effective tool for making biodegradable plastic, since chitin is a biopolymer found in crustacean shells. It contains properties that are more or less similar with the conventional plastic. Because that we want to use the shrimp cell to produce a biodegradable plastic. Next, we go to the introduction. Why plastic is very important to our world now. Plastic are a key material in modern daily life. Plastic material have various uses in all aspects of daily life and business because of the technological advancement with an increase in the world population. Next, they are flexible, light, and are generally inexpensive to make. Nowadays, just 1% of plastic and plastic material available on the global market are classified as being biodegradable, compostable, or bio-based. The majority of plastic are still produced using fossil fuels, which increase greenhouse gas emission along the entire value chain. Firstly, plastic definitely pollute throughout their entire life cycle, from production to use to disposal. Next, why biodegradable plastic is very important to our world and why we want to produce it. It has many benefits to environment. First, biodegradable plastic is more sustainable because they can break in the environment much faster than conventional plastic, which can take more than 100 years. Biodegradable plastic are non-toxic since they contain no chemicals or poison, in contrast to other type of plastic that can make the dangerous compounds, especially if burned. They decompose more quickly when thrown. Next, most importantly, they can also be recycled. Chitin in chitosan polysaccharides. This theory explains about the different sources of chitin in the environment and its uses in the industry, especially in the world of plastic packaging. Nowadays, chitosan is mostly used as a food additive or preservative, as well as a component of packaging material to improve food quality and shelf life, also to slow down microbial growth in food. The amount of deacetylation, the distribution of acetyls group along the main chain, the molecular weights, and the type of acid used for protonation all affect how soluble chitosan is. Due to its natural origin and excellent qualities like biodegradability, biocompatibility, biofunction, non-toxicity, and combination with metals and antioxidant features. Chitosan has been widely used in many industries and has great potential for users in the food business. Chitin in shrimp shell. Chitin was the first polysaccharide produced by humans from mushroom 30 years before cellulose. Following that, this polymer was discovered in the exoskeletons of invertebrates and insects, where it was combined with protein, mineral to harden the structure by cross-linking with polyphenols. In terms of dry matters, the main sources of chitin are sea creatures like shrimps, crab, and lobster. Because that, we use chitin in shrimp shell to produce biodegradable plastic. Why we want to use the plasticizer for our experiment? Plasticization is the process of altering a certain polymer or material mechanical and thermal properties. Plasticizers are a type of low molecular weight chemicals that can be used to add plasticity to polymer that would otherwise be rigid and fragile. The most extensively used plasticizer are glycerol and sorbitol since they are both secure and very reliable. A plasticizer can make a film, our biodegradable film, more flexible and less inflexible. Glycerol, which can be produced by extracellular enzymes, plants, and animal oils, is the most popular plasticizer used to build cellulose-based films and offer the best mechanical properties. For the conclusion, from the findings of this study, we can conclude that chitin in stem cell is an effective tool for making biodegradable plastic. Since chitin is a biopolymer found in crustacean cells, it contains properties that are more or less similar to the conventional plastic. For the recommendation in the future to improve the plasticity of chitin-based bioplastic, the use of other plasticizers such as sorbitol, glycerol, or any other material is very highly recommended, and a similar study should be conducted using other species of crustacean to test its effectiveness as well as to verify the validity of the result.